Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by applying the basic burn effect to your target before engaging. Next, charge Azure Flames until you reach 2 full stacks. Stay at a 3-5 meter distance to bait movement and open your initiation window safely. Activate the Flame Mastery buff exactly 6 seconds before committing to heavy damage inputs. Maintain full mana reserves when you cast the buff to avoid forced cancellations. Move slightly to the left to avoid frontal cleaves while charging your second stack. Start the core sequence by pressing Heavy Strike followed by Light Jab within 0.4 seconds. Immediately cast Azure Flames when you have 2 stacks available for maximum scaling. Weave a short dash to close the remaining gap and align your next hit. Deliver a follow-up burst precisely at the 2.5 second mark of the Flame Mastery buff. Use the final quick attack to consume remaining stacks and reset your attack timer. Practice this sequence slowly until timing becomes reflexive. Exploit the crit window by activating a 25% increased crit chance for 2 consecutive swings. Conserve roughly 20% of your mana pool to guarantee immediate reapplication of Flame Mastery after a rotation. When enemies retreat, use a positional feint and re-engage with a single charged Azure Flame to bait responses. For Mastery, practice the full combo for 50 repetitions or 30 minutes daily to build muscle memory. Review slow motion replays.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.